How to save $10,000 in 1 year. How to get out of debt in 12 months. Debt. It's the silent thief stealing your dreams. But what if I told you that in just 12 months, you could erase your debt and save $10,000? Sounds impossible. It's not. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it. Time is money and both are slipping away. Let's take them back. Ready to rewrite your financial story? Let's dive in. 1. Understanding your starting point. Before you can fix your finances, you need to face them. Step 1. Know your numbers. How much do you owe? What are the interest rates? And most importantly, what's your monthly income versus expenses? Think of it like planning a road trip. You can't map your route unless you know where you're starting. And spoiler alert, denial won't pay your bills. Once you face the numbers, it's time to get strategic. Buckle up. It's about to get exciting. 2. The debt payoff plan. Point 1, the debt snowball method. Start by tackling your smallest debt first, regardless of interest rate. Why? Because every win gives you momentum. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. You're more motivated to pay off that first debt, then roll those payments into the next one. Before you know it, you're a debt-paying machine. Not quite, but this method is as close as it gets. Point 2, cut unnecessary expenses. Here's where the rubber meets the road. Cancel that gym membership you never use. Cook at home instead of eating out. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can throw at your debt. Small changes add up faster than you think. And remember, sacrifice is temporary. Financial freedom is forever. But cutting expenses alone won't get you there. What's the real game changer? Keep watching. 3. Boosting your income. Point 1. Side hustles and extra income streams. If cutting expenses is one side of the coin, earning extra income is the other. Use your evenings and weekends to start a side hustle. It doesn't have to be glamorous, it just needs to work. Every extra dollar can be a weapon in your battle against debt. Not unless you're the CEO, but hey, give it a shot. Point 2. Negotiate your current expenses. Don't underestimate the power of negotiation. Call your service providers and ask for lower rates. And while you're at it, schedule a meeting with your boss to discuss a raise. A 5-minute call could save you hundreds. A single conversation could add thousands to your income. But what happens when you're finally debt-free? Here's where it gets exciting. Building your $10,000 fund. Point 1, automate your savings. Once your debt is gone, redirect those payments into savings. Automate it so you don't even have to think about it. In 12 months, you'll not only be debt-free, you'll have a $10,000 safety net or investment fund. How's that for a comeback story? Yes, shocking revelation. Your money can stay with you for once. Point 2, avoid falling back into debt. Financial freedom isn't just about getting out of debt, it's about staying out. Avoid unnecessary debt and focus on building wealth instead. Your future is yours to design. Make it count. Debt doesn't define you, your choices do. And today you have the chance to choose freedom, security, and a life you love. So, are you ready to take back control and start your journey to $10,000? Drop a comment below with your first step, and let's inspire each other. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Together, we're building a future where financial stress is a thing of the past.